How to open recent tabs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on the bookmarks icon. You can view all your bookmarks over here. Then, tap on the reading list icon to view the reading lists. After that, tap on the history icon on the right. From here, choose a date. You can view all the search history for that day. Repeat this to view the search history for the other days as well. Now, go back and open any history tab from here. Here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on all tabs. You can view all your recently opened tabs over here. If you want to add one more, then tap on the plus icon below. As you can see, you can now view your recently closed apps over here. Following these steps, you can easily open recent tabs on iPhone.